Good evening, everybody. My name is Timothy Cox. Excuse me. I am taking Chemistry 126. I am currently a nurse. I am a travel nurse. I work in ICUs all over the country, and at some point I would like to eventually go to grad school, and part of the requirements for that is that I'll have to have general chemistry and organic chemistry, which is why I'm taking the sequence now. But I'm not quite sure what I want to get into, so I'm just taking classes to kind of cover my bases until I'm ready to apply. Previously to being a nurse, I was an alpine guide. I worked in Alaska for a while, guiding up in the Chugach. And then I worked in South America for a few months as a guide down in Patagonia, which was quite fun. Unfortunately, I didn't make any money, so I had to move on and find something else. Prior to that, I was a wildland firefighter. I did 4 years in the Navy. I was stationed in Japan for 4 years. And I was a part of the Forward Deployed Navy, which is the first deployed to any war arena, which was kind of neat. We got to drill way more than many other ships in the fleet. I got to do quite a bit of time out to sea, which is hit or miss on a day when it's good or bad. So right now, currently I'm in Seattle, Washington. I had just recently finished a contract in Vermont, so I drove across the country during the really crazy snow, which was quite interesting. But I work here at Harborview now on the trauma unit. And that's a little bit about me. So I look forward to taking this class with everybody. I look forward to learning from everybody's experiments and the discussion post, and I look forward to making it through. So if you have any questions or anything, please reach out, or if you need somebody to study with, just let me know.